And believe it or not, the whole room agreed with one statement. Would you like to know what that is? Stick around for Financial Fact Friday. We'll tell you in just a second, right after this. Hi, my name is Mark Squires. I'm the president of Wise Choices Financial in the Kansas City area. So, in the world we live in today, it's hard to get people to agree on anything. I mean, literally, you could hold up a piece of paper that is white to my eyes and say, what color is this? And people will disagree whether it's white, off-white, snow white, Arctic white. And it seems like we're in a world where everybody, let's say a world, let's say a country, here in the United States of America, where everybody disagrees about something. And yet the other day, I asked a room full of people, properly social distance, mind you, this question. In the next 6 years, do you believe taxes will go up, stay the same, or go down? Everybody in the room agreed. What's your answer? That's what they said too. Taxes are going to go up. That's what we all think. Well, the truth is, if Congress does nothing, and they're good at that, taxes will go up at the end of 2025 anyway, because the current tax code will sunset then. So here's my warning to you. Taxes will steal your future. Don't let Washington, D.C. steal your future. So look, there are these things called qualified retirement plans. I think we did a video the last couple of weeks about that. So whether you do this on your own if you're self-employed, or just do it on your own because you're really responsible and smart, or you work for an employer who has a 401k plan or something like that, and you put money into those plans, you get a tax deduction, meaning what the government sees as your overall income goes down by that amount, and so you only pay taxes on the reduced amount. Well, that's a great idea. They say, put that away, you invest the money plus the taxes you wouldn't have paid, which we never do because that's incremental. We spend the money we would have paid on taxes. But you put that away, and it's going to grow over time, and the growth in it you're not going to pay taxes on. And then when you retire, maybe you'll be in a lower tax bracket. Well, number one, that's a little bit like planning to fail. And number two, there's a big variable there, and that's the tax rate. And who controls the tax rate? Do you? No. Do I? No. Does Cassie behind the camera? No, she does not. The politicians in Washington, D.C. control the tax rate. So what's going to happen with taxes in the future? And if we keep putting money away today into those tax-deferred accounts, eventually we're going to have to pay taxes on it, because there is a point in time when the government says you have to take your money out of those accounts whether you want to, need to, or not. So here's my thing. If you work for an employer and they have a 401k and they match money on the 401k, by all means, put money in the 401k. Do it. So if your employer matches dollar for dollar up to 4%, put 4% away and take the free money. You can't lose. Do that. But just like a lady the other day I was talking to on the phone, she's putting her employer match amount in, plus she's putting an additional 13% of her income into her 401k, because that's what somebody told her she should do. Now, 13% is pretty amazing. I applaud her for doing that. But the truth is, she's trading taxes today for taxes tomorrow. And taxes today are cheap. Taxes are on sale. So here's what I want you to think about. If you are participating in a qualified retirement plan, 401k, IRA, SEP, Simple, 457, 401a, 457b, I mean, whatever those are, okay, I want you to take advantage of a no-cost, no-obligation 15-minute phone call with me. No cost means I'm not going to send you a bill. No obligation means I'm not going to try to sell you something. Okay? Make that phone call. Let's talk about your situation, because as you've heard me say a million times, there's no such thing as one size fits all. Just try buying gloves for these bare paws. Okay? Call us. 816-841-9141, 816-841-9141. Check us on the web at our brand new website, www.wcf-kc.com. You know, Mark, you say that web address every week. Well, we just released a brand new version of that, www.wcf-kc.com. 15 minutes with me on the phone, no cost, no obligation. Let's get your plan done the right way. My name is Mark Squires. Thanks for watching Financial Fact Friday. We'll see you next week. Bye now.